Here's 4 ways to fix bed adhesion on a 3D printer. Number 1. Take some isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol and spread it on a rag. Wipe down your bed with the rag to remove any oils or residues from your print surface. Number 2. Masking or painter's tape. Take some masking or painter's tape and cover your entire bed with it. You only need to do 1 layer and avoid overlapping them as they can create bumps in the print surface. Your bed wears down over time and this effectively gives it a new grippy surface. Number 3. Glue stick. Take a glue stick, not liquid glue, and spread it on the bed. Try and get an even coat of glue on your bed. It may turn white as you heat up your bed or just as it dries. This is normal. Number 4. Beds are a grippy textured surface that wears it over time. If you've tried all you can, consider getting a new print surface. I'll leave 2 print surfaces I've personally used in the pinned comment. Happy making!